Anyway, here's another video for the air show. And just so you know, boy can't talk because I take this goddamn mouth shut. You got? Okay, on to the video. Let's see here. Okay, this kind of boring. Okay. Alright, you can say something now. Take the tape off. Okay, bye. Stop eating chocolate. I can always tell this is gonna be a long video.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long day. You gotta go through across 19.
Bye. How do you know this crap? Okay, here we go again. Oh, look, that's me. It's my shadow. Yeah, boy, you're gonna have to be switched out for mangle soon. Cause it's almost her turn. Okay, here we are. Where are we?